Howdy, y'all. Here at Texas Made Windows and More, we believe your windows should be tougher than the Texas heat and prettier than a blue bonnet in spring. Let's wrangle up the right window for your home so you can kick back, relax, and enjoy life the Texan way. The WinCore 5400 series is perfect for folks who want to make their home shine without spending a fortune. Durable, sleek, and customizable to fit your style. These windows are a real steal for smart homeowners. Now, if y'all are aiming for high-end style with top-tier durability, the WinCore 7700 series is just what you need. These beauties have all the elegance of custom wood trim, but none of the maintenance headaches. You'll have the classiest looking house on the block, and everyone will know it. Y'all know how unpredictable Texas weather can be, especially near the coast. That's where the WinCore 8800 series comes in. With reinforced vinyl frames and impact-resistant glass, these windows are tougher than a longhorn steer and ready for anything Mother Nature will throw their way. And y'all, these windows don't just stand up to storms, they're also great for protecting your home from break-ins. With heavy-duty frames and laminated glass, they'll keep your home secure from more than just the weather. Now, if y'all love versatility and modern style, the CS 6000 series is for you. These are authentic European tilt and turn windows that tilt in for a breeze when you need it and swing wide open when you're ready to soak in that beautiful Texas sunset. And with top-notch security features, they're more dependable than your grandpa's pocket knife. Whether you need affordable charm, high-end elegance, hurricane toughness, or modern functionality, Texas Made Windows and More has the perfect windows for you. Give us a holler today and get your free estimate faster than you can say everything's bigger in Texas. That's Texas Made Windows and More, your local experts in windows that work hard and look good doing it.